Hello and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Well, today we have got a box. We have got a box that we're going to use to create some interesting videos for the channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is the Dragy GPS timing device. So what we're going to have is we're going to have some timings of the 0 to 60 and hopefully some power output of the car from this little guy. So, oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. So that's a nice little note there from Annual Performance. That's really nice. That's a really nice little touch. Would recommend these guys. They give a really good price on the item. Definitely use them again. I'll put a link in the description below so you can see it. And this is it. This is the Dragy. So let's open it up. See if we can open it up without damaging anything. There we go. And pop it out to one side. A little bit of styrofoam there, and we've got the device. Wow, look at that. It's tiny. We've got a micro USB port on the side there. We've got a little LED light that sits on the top. We've got nothing on the bottom there. It looks like it's 5 volt and 500 milliamp hours. And underneath here we have a charge cable, and we have some magnetic mounts. Interesting. Yep, definitely magnetic mounts. And if we can get it out, we have some instructions. So I've been trying to take my time and do some videos of the car doing 0 to 60 runs, and they've not been too good. I've been using an older style non-GPS power meter, and whilst it was doing a job, it was very difficult to video everything happening all at once and to get it working. I will see if I can show some of the video. So here's the video that I was making of the TDI 90. We are here, and this is using the old power meter. And the meter was installed up on the dashboard, not somewhere you could see it, but it was installed there. And this is one of the runs that I did. And it's difficult to see exactly what's going on there. There's no way of showing it really on the screen very easily because it was out of shot. There is commentary that I've got over the top of it, but it's hard to see. So it did that run in probably around about 10 or 11 seconds, and the road that I was on was slightly uphill. It was a good road, the weather was less than ideal, and I had the traction control on as well. And that video goes on showing me doing this a few times, and that was in the TDI 90, as you can see from the video introduction. So I wanted to have a better way of showing this, and I thought that the Dragy was the right way to do it. There's lots of other people on YouTube use the Dragy system to give them results, and I can show those results on the screen by capturing what's happening on the phone at the same time as running the test. So watch this space. There's going to be more videos. I've got the currently broken FSI, and I've got the TDI 90. I may borrow some other cars as well and see if we can get some results out of them, both tuned and non-tuned cars. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what results we get out of this, and hopefully this weekend will be when I can actually get something done on this and start using it and start playing about with it. So I'm going to end the video there. This is what I've been up to, this is what I've been waiting for, so we've finally got the Dragy has arrived and I can play about with it now, get it working. Hopefully we can get some better weather. This is when the storms were coming through in the past couple of weeks, so it didn't make for very interesting viewing and also very good results, but I wanted to test it out and see how it worked on the solution that I had already. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and watch this space for when we'll get some comparisons and league tables up of A2s and how they run and what we can expect out of them as they go through and run on the Dragy system. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.